Welcome, English learners. Welcome to the English Engineer. Today we are going to study a new topic about confusing words. So the first confused word that we are going to study is the word get, and why we are chose that word. Because the word get is sometimes is confused for many English learners. And why? And why is the reason that this word is confused for some English learners? Because the word get has many meanings. And we have to know what is the meaning that we are going to use with this word to be able to express our thoughts correctly in our conversations. So let's start with this topic. As I mentioned before, the word get has many meanings. Today we are going to study the three most common meanings that are used in an English language. So the word get has those meanings. The first meaning is the word receive, become, and the third meaning is the word understand. To understand better these or those meanings, we are using examples to understand better this topic. So let's continue with this. Examples with the meaning receive. The first example say, I didn't get your phone call. I had a lot of work to do that today. What is the meaning of that first sentence? What do you understand about that? I didn't get your phone call. That phrase tells us that you didn't receive any call. So the word get tells us the meaning receive. Another example with the meaning receive is, James got many awards as Player of the Year last year from the National Basketball Association. What do you understand again with this sentence? In this case, the word got, that is in simple past tense, tell us that James received many awards as a Player of the Year last year. So that word tell us that meaning. Other example with the meaning become. The first one say, Richard left, he got tired of waiting. This sentence tell us with this word that Richard become tired of waiting. That is the meaning of this word. Another example say, Diana, his boyfriend, will get married in the summer. When you see that word in this kind of sentence, you understand that Diana and his boyfriend will become married in the summer. This word tell us, in this case, the meaning is become, becoming something. Another example with the meaning understand, using the word get. And this part and this meaning is the most common meaning in English language with this word. How many of you hear the phrase, did you get it? Hey, did you get it the class? Or hey, did you get it the class yesterday? When you hear or listen that kind of phrase, that means that the person tells you or asks you if you understand something. When you see that phrase, did you get it? Or did you get it in past tense? It means that this word tells us the meaning of understand. The meaning is understand. Another example is I don't get it. Why does Sarah do that? I don't get it. Why does Sarah do that? So in this sentence, you understand that you don't know what happened. So that is the meaning of this kind of word in this kind of sentence. Remember, when you use the word get, you have to use the meaning on the context that you want to explain something in a conversation or in a speech. So it's very important when you use this word to use properly with the appropriate meaning of the things that you want to say or to explain in a conversation or in a speech or something else. So these three meanings are easy to learn. So I encourage you that you use those meanings in your conversations, and you will see that you sound like a native speaker when you practice them. So guys, that's everything for today, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I encourage you that you subscribe in our YouTube channel and press the bell to receive notification when we upload new videos on the YouTube channel, and give us a thumbs up because that thing helps us to make more videos for you and to help you in this journey to learn this language. So thank you for watching us and see you the next time. Bye.